Hey Josh, good to be back again.
Hey, Jim.
Now, I was online as always, checking out different real estate information, and I knew we were going to talk today, so I wanted to get some information to run by you. But the one thing that stood out to me was with everything that has to do with real estate, it just makes sense. There's so many more reasons why to go directly to a broker. I mean, just off the top of my head, the one of the things I was thinking about was there's a lot of people in tough situations, unique situations. Maybe somebody works online, maybe the other person in the other couple, they don't have the best credit. There's a lot of unique situations that you hate to be judged when you're
Of
giving
course.
your information out to somebody that you don't know. But I think you know what I'm talking about. As a broker, you have the ability to kind of take somebody from where they're at and guide them through the process. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Absolutely. There's a bunch of reasons to go with a mortgage broker versus going directly to a bank. But starting off, I think there's six main reasons that we should take a look at. All right. The first is as a broker, we have access to multiple lenders and loan options. We have relationships with numerous lenders, giving us access to a wide variety of loan products and options. That's what's particularly beneficial in a diverse real estate market, especially like Houston or California, where different loan types become more suitable for various property types or buyer situations, right? In addition to that, another reason, we have potentially better rates and terms that you can find from regular banks. We have a lot of industry connections and knowledge of multiple lenders. We often can secure more competitive rates and favorable loan terms. For example, we have loan terms for 15, 20, 25, 30, and in some cases, 40-year term loans for residential and for multifamily. So those are amazing products that really aren't available all the time through regular banks. The third item that I find the most important is we offer a personalized guidance and expertise where you just can't get that from a bank. There's all different kinds of neighborhoods, all different kinds of property types. We can provide customized assistance based on your financial situation and home buying goals. What is it you're looking for? Are you looking to be in the house for 30 years and pay it off and be there for the rest of your life? Or are you looking for to be there for 2 to 5 years and transfer into something bigger because you have the foresight to do that and that's part of your financial plan for the future. Another thing that I value very, very highly is my time and my effort, right? And I think everybody should hold that to a higher standard. Your time is the most important thing. It's the one thing you can never get back in this world. And what we offer is a lot of time and effort savings. There's various options available. There's a lot of problems that come in through the process. And that's where we come in to reduce the time that you have to put into it and the effort that you have to put into it by handling all of the paperwork, the communication with the lenders, comparing the different loan options quickly, giving you all the best options. And we do all the coordination between all the different parties involved in the transaction. Moving
Yeah.
on, we have assistance with unique situations, right? A lot of the times, the loan programs that are out there from a traditional bank, you won't qualify for because nobody's perfect. Nobody's financial situation has been perfect forever. We have options that will allow you to get loans, even if you've had a bankruptcy, you've had a foreclosure, or as light as having a late payment on a credit card because you were on vacation and you missed it, or you were a kid and you were just stupid 20 years ago. Doesn't mean that you can't get a loan. There are options out there for you. And the last part is the savings. We're very competitive. We come out, we have flat rate pricing, and we're able to negotiate with banks to reduce rates, have lower appraisal costs, different origination fees, different application fees. So a lot of the times bank charge a processing fee and an underwriting fee. And we go in and we negotiate with the banks and say some of these fees are a little exorbitant. What can we do to reduce them? And by having these long-term relationships with different banks, we're able to offer a lot of great stuff.
Yeah. That
Buying a
makes sense.
Yeah, buying a home is not an easy process. The most important part is working with the right people and getting ahead of the game so you have everything in order and everything in place. So when you do find that house that you love, the house that meets your immediate needs, the house that is going to be the right place for you and your family to grow, or the right property to make you the amount of profits that you're looking for, we have options available for you.
Yeah. So basically, for those who haven't seen some of your other videos, we're
Yeah.
getting the technical paperwork side of this entire process taken care of up front. So that
Absolutely.
way we don't find a house and then we can't get a mortgage for it because we've flipped the process. We've reversed it. You're talking about getting all of this done up front and working with somebody like yourself, and then we already know what we qualify for. Then we're working with the real estate agent to find the house that's the right fit for us.
Absolutely. The idea that an agent would take you out, start showing you homes without having a loan approval is irresponsible. All of the agents that we work with, all of the people that we know, all of the relationships that we have, we make sure that all of their clients are qualified before they head out into the market and start shopping. Because
Yeah.
it's not only the client, but also the agent's reputation at stake.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. I went to a just to get a simple loan the last time I did it, I went to a credit union and I sat there, I filled out papers. They called up somebody on the phone. I sat there a longer time. And then finally, an hour later, I said, well, can you just give me a call after I've been approved? And they said, sure. I go home, I get on with my day. About 7 hours later, I get a call and they say, we need your tax returns going back. And I just said, forget about it. I just used cash for the purchase that I was making at the time. But I thought, well, I have a friendly credit union. I'll just go there and I'll do the whole process through them. And it was no different than going to just a bank. It might have been different like years ago, but that's the way it was now. Lousy experience.
You know,
So I can
even if
totally
with a credit,
identify.
even with a credit union, and we work with a lot of credit unions, when we submit your file to a credit union, it's a lot. You have a higher chance of getting it approved than you would if you walked into the bank just like you did.
Yeah,
And that's happened on multiple occasions for us. Yeah. So
yeah.
give us a call. It's a free consultation. I'll take some time out. One of the experts from our team will do so as well if I'm not available. And we'd love to sit down, get an idea for what it is you're looking for, and be part of your home buying journey. We're here.
Great.
We're here to help. We have a lot of great options available. I can go on for days about how everybody needs a mortgage broker in their corner.
Yeah, yeah. I agree. Josh, thanks for your time. Great info as always. And I'm gonna do some more. I'm gonna go out there, see what else is going on. I'll be back with more questions for sure.
Absolutely. You guys can reach out to us at our website, fnfloan.com. That's fnfloan.com. Or give us a call at 832-955-9255. We look forward to hearing from you.
Great, great. See you next time, Josh.
Have a good one.
You too.